back to FishingIn.BBK, and here we have our skipper for the day, Captain Pat. Said that the fishing with mackerel is actually quite poor at the moment. Apparently all the mackerel are over the other side of the island. Caves in them. The caves are actually copper mines. They used to lower kids down or children down by rope. They used to make them dig out the copper. Probably wouldn't get away with it nowadays. And we have the ugliest man in the world.
That's good, everyone. Come in through. Captain, come in. What you got?
Got goldfish.
That's Captain. Well done. In a bit. Well done. Go off. That's a nice thing. Go off.
That's a good one then. Look at that. Whoa.
That's a beaut.
Oops, sorry, let's get out of the way.
You know what it is? You can do it. You can do it. Good size horse. I would say he's north of 12.
You got your twizzler?
Twizzler? Yeah. 2 cents.
We'll give you the hook back this time.